Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Wilgress Lake, also known as Loon Lake, is a tranquil spot located in the Kootenay boundary region of British Columbia. It's situated about 22 kilometers west of Grand Forks along Highway 3. The lake spans approximately 43 acres and features a shoreline of about 1.3 miles. It's a popular destination for fishing enthusiasts, especially during the spring and fall when trout are most active. Wilgress Lake is also a haven for bird watchers. The surrounding area supports a variety of bird species, making it an excellent spot for birding enthusiasts. Whether it's fishing, boating, or simply enjoying the natural beauty, Wilgress Lake offers a peaceful retreat in the heart of the Kootenay boundary region.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!